In August 2022, Plex, a popular media streaming platform, experienced a significant data breach, impacting approximately 30 million users. This incident highlighted the importance of strong passwords and the potential vulnerabilities that can exist even when data is encrypted. Here's a summary of the data breach. Plex issued password reset notices to its entire user base on August 24, 2022, in response to an unauthorized party gaining access to user data, which included emails, usernames, and encrypted passwords. The breach occurred due to unpatched vulnerability in Plex's systems. This vulnerability allowed the unauthorized party to infiltrate Plex's infrastructure. Plex had encrypted passwords using a hashing algorithm, which is generally a good security practice. However, this breach revealed that even with encryption, threat actors can use brute force encryption cracking software to potentially access user accounts. The widespread password changes prompted by the exposed Plex's inability to handle the surge in traffic on their internal servers. This led to additional error messages and failed password changes for some users. Fortunately, Plex did not store payment information on its servers. Additionally, the company responded quickly to the breach, minimizing the potential harm. As a result, there were no penalties or reported cases of stolen financial information. The incident underscores the importance of using strong and unique passwords for online accounts. Companies should regularly patch and update their systems to prevent vulnerabilities. Rapid response to a data breach is critical in minimizing the impact and maintaining user trust. The Plex data breach of August 2022 serves as a reminder of the ongoing challenges in securing user data and the importance of swift action to protect users in the event of a breach. If you want to stay updated with more tech insights, don't forget to subscribe to @Demystify Tech.